Zdravo svima, Almira master fotografija. Ako ste mislili da samo radim vlogove, ne, ja i dalje fotografišem. Nešto novo, pored onoga što imam već odavno, onaj standardni full bucket, kad ja kupujem neke stvari, ja volim da vidim šta to kupujem. Volim da mi pokažu i pošto ja već zahtevam tako nešto da meni pokažu, onda pretpostavljam da sad ja vama treba da pokažem kako izgleda taj one shot shooting. Pola sata, čitavih 30 minuta sa mnom na fotoshootingu, sa istom opremom, isti kvalitet, isti kadrovi, iste poze, samo bez postprodukcije, sve to na CD-u. Što ovo uradim danas, vidjet ćete malo iza scene, a onda ćete vidjeti rezultat kakve biste fotografije dobili ako se opredelite za ovaj paket koji se meni čini vrlo primamljivim. Sad ću da uradim tako nešto iz sveg srca, zato što bitno je u čijim je rukama fotoaparat, sa kakvim osjećanjima to radite i sa kakvim idejama. Ideje, kreativnost, volja i ljubav za sve ovo je nešto što me pokreće i zato ćemo uraditi zajedno ovog leta taj paket. Sad je odao na shooting, dneska će biti malo ispred kamere.
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, up and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. One weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up your plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family is doing okay. Leaving in the taxi.
Završen je one shot shooting. Fotografije izgledaju ovako.
I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on.